Jamin here, back with another video update. We're kicking off this one with some TeamGantt tips. The only constant is that things will always change. Luckily, making changes to your plan in TeamGantt is easy. Here are some tips for making bulk changes when the need arises. If a major delay or change in your plan happens, and you need to move the entire project to a new set of dates, it's easy. Just click and drag the dark gray project bar at the top of your project. A pro tip here is to zoom out a bit in your Gantt chart first so it's easier to see your project's new target dates. If you need to move multiple tasks within a project, here are two helpful shortcuts. First, if you have individual tasks across different groups that you need to move, click the first taskbar you want to move and hold down Command on Mac or Control on Windows. Then click on any other tasks you'd like to move. Once you've made your selection, either drag the taskbars to move them to a different date or drag one end of a task's bar to adjust all of the task's duration. If you want to select a range of tasks, click the first taskbar you want to move, hold Shift, and then click the last task in the range that you want to include. This highlights all the tasks in between the two selected ones. Again, once you've selected your range, you can either drag the task's bars to move them, or drag one end of the task bar to adjust all of the task duration. If you need to move tasks from one project to another, no problem. First, you need to open multiple projects. You can do that in two ways. From your My Projects page, check Multiple Projects and then select the Open Selected Projects button at the bottom of the page. Or from within a project, you can open the Projects menu, hover over Open Projects, and select the projects you want to open from the drop-down. Once you have your projects open in your Gantt chart, simply drag tasks or groups of tasks from one project to another. If you need a copy of a task group in another project, duplicate the group by hovering over it, selecting the three-dot icon, and then duplicate. Then drag the new group to your other project. Well, there you have it. If you have any other questions about updating or managing your projects, let our customer success team know by chatting them or emailing them at support@teamgantt.com. We've added 3 new classes to the roster, and they're all aimed at helping people to understand, create, and manage plans. The next one up, The Anatomy of a Project Plan. It's on April 27th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. This new series of shorter hands-on classes aim to not only show how valuable having a plan for your project is, but also the best ways to work on them in TeamGantt. Register for this class and check out the rest of them at teamgantt.com/classes. You know, there's a ton of value in using TeamGantt, and that only increases as your team gets more and more involved. But it's not always easy to engage your team in the plan. So, how do you infuse this into your team and get them excited about using TeamGantt? Well, some of our most successful customers shared that they simply held a meeting, went over all the benefits, and showed the team how easy it would be. It worked like a charm. If you want to get your team on board and using TeamGantt, check out this blog post for more ideas. By now, you might be familiar with our educational video series, Coffee with Brett. We release new episodes every other week where you can get quick, caffeinated tips about a wide range of project management topics from Brett Harned, TeamGantt's Director of Education. Some recent episodes include What is a Gantt chart and how does it work? What does a good project manager do? And what is a milestone? Check out these and all of the other great episodes on TeamGantt's YouTube channel. Well, that's it for this video update. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.